Hello everyone, my name is Huyền. Today the correct way to eat instant noodle without harming our bodies. Normally we cook the instant noodle by putting the noodle into a pot of boiled water or a bowl of hot water. um, throw in the soup powder and let it cook for 3 minutes. This is the wrong method of cooking the instant noodle. So the correct method which you may or may not know is to cook the noodle this way. Um, boiled water. Um, uh, fin- Firstly, uh, boil the noodle in a pot with water. Once the noodle is cooked, take out the noodle and throw away the water which contain wax. Boil another pot of water till boiling and put the noodle into the hot boiling water and then set the fire. The soup powder. Um, Only at this step when the fire is up and while the water is very hot, put the soup powder into the water to make noodle soup. Okay, done. Thank you.